If I give you just 60 days to learn English,
Hmm.
what is going to be your approach to learn it? And what's that one thing, one skill other than English that you would like to develop instantly that can actually help you grow sooner? So, in this era of AI, since people are highly dependent on AI, what is going to be the need of human teachers like me? These days, every other person says, I don't want to get married. I don't want to get married.
Yeah.
What's that? What's the reason, Ram? May I know from you? Coming to a very important question. Okay. So, the question says, if I give you just 60 days to learn English,
Hmm.
what is going to be your approach to learn it? And remember, you are just between beginners to intermediate level, and you have just
Okay.
60 days. Yeah.
Oh, this is the structure that I developed to learn English in a structured way. Well, I would tell them to learn three English words every day and 10 minutes of reading practice every day and 20 to 30 minutes of speaking practice every day and 20 minutes of listening. In case if you have more time, you can do shadowing. Whatever you had listened, you can do shadowing practice with that. So just spend around 1 hour or one 1.5 hours every day for your English. Definitely, I can tell you within 2 months, it's good. It's enough time to speak English fluently. You can learn English. Well, you cannot be very fluent. It depends on how you learn, and also it depends on your capacity. But you can literally see an improvement in your English.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing. That means you believe that the technique that we call LSRW, it is going to help. Is it
Mm. Yeah.
right? This is
Yes.
one. Now, suppose if you have very strict deadline, it is like do or die kind of situation. That means your manager has already informed. See, if you work on your communication skills, I'm giving you 2 months to work on your communication skills, else you may have to leave. In that
Mm.
case, is it going to work the same technique or is it going to be stricter, harder?
Well, see, basically it depends on how much time you spend on English, how much time you spend on listening, reading. Reading is not really that helpful. It is helpful only in fluency, but first of all, you get to learn a lot of English words. If you're a beginner, first of all, you have to know how many words are there, like the common words, you have to know all these things. For that, listening is very important. Well, I would tell you to go for around 3 or 4 hours of listening every day. Try to watch a movie or binge watch web series. I used to do that. Like when I have free time, not free time, I actually take free time where I 2 days leave and I binge watch a web series. And if I do that, if I watch a web series for 2 days, the third day automatically I'll start thinking in English. I don't even have to put some effort. My mind will be thinking in English automatically. So that's one thing that I felt. So it depends on how much time you spend on this language. That's all.
For sure, definitely. And since, as I mentioned, there's a do or die situation, definitely one has to
Mm,
give 3 to 4 hours. Since we are talking
yeah.
about this job and skills, here comes another important question, and that's what's that one thing, one skill other than English that you would like to develop instantly that can actually help you grow sooner?
One skill
Other than your communication skills.
other than communication skill. I think we have to take care of our health. We have to stay fit. If you stay fit, you can literally see your confidence level going up when you're fit. Like when you're in shape, you can do whatever you want. People naturally they will be gravitated towards you. So that's one thing I recently found out. In just 3 4 months, I've been doing some exercise, and I can see a difference in me. And even my friends are also they are appreciating me from what I'm doing. And yeah, that's kind of true. It will improve. It will boost your confidence if you stay
For
fit.
sure. For sure.
Mm.
This is something I wanted to hear, and I need this badly. Thank you so much for
Okay.
this, Ram. One last question. Why these days every other person says, I don't want to get married. I don't want to get married.
Yeah.
What's that? What's the reason, Ram? May I know from you? This we have been coming across recently. This has become more prominent, like don't trust girls. But
Yeah. That is
yeah,
true.
it can be other way around as well, like don't trust men.
Mhm.
So
Mhm. It
depends.
depends of it depends on your experience.
Hmm. So did you have any bad experience?
Oh, not really that bad. Yeah, some kind of experience I've got
Yes. Recently. Is it recent or long ago?
every time.
Every time.
Every
Okay.
time I get the same experience.
Okay, all
Mhm.
right. So Ram, I want to tell you one thing. Since
Mhm.
we had this discussion last time that you'll probably think of getting married soon. So I
Mhm.
think you should try to fade away this thought. Otherwise, if this is going to be really intact on mind, that is don't trust girls, it may create, some kind of trust issues even with the person who is going to stay with you forever. So don't you
I
think
don't
that?
think, well, I don't think I'm going to marry.
Is
Yeah,
it?
I don't want to. Yeah.
But I think you will have to, isn't it, for society,
Well,
for
it's a
parents?
choice. It's a choice. I mean, we don't have to if we don't want to. So I have decided that very recently, stop wasting time on something else. Let's focus on ourselves, improve ourselves, and do things. That's all.
Okay, all right. A lot of
Mm.
hearts may break, right?
A
Listening to
lot of
this.
hearts. Only one heart that gets broken every time. Yeah.
Yeah, Ram, you should say, think
Yeah.
about me when one heart gets broken, no
Mhm.
one cares, right? So,
Yeah.
hmm. And do you think because of these constant experiences, maybe bad experiences, we become indifferent to such situations? Like, there comes a point when we start thinking, I don't care. That kind of
Yeah.
attitude we develop. Is it?
Yeah. I think I've already got that. I'm already in that stage. I don't care really about
Oh,
anything.
but yeah, if things get better, I believe, I don't know why these days every other person says, I don't want to get married. I don't want to get married.
Yeah.
What's that? What's the reason, Ram? May I know from you?
Well, I think people want to be independent, and relationships actually disappoints, and it's more like draining you. That's the experience I had. Emotionally, physically, financially, it's draining. Everything is going, it's not coming in. So but if you're single, you can focus on your thing, you can focus on your job, you can focus on your health, you can focus on savings, you can take care of your family. Yeah, that's the ultimate goal of life, is not getting married or getting into a relationship. The goal of life is to just live happily. That's all. If you're not happy with someone, it's okay to be alone and be happy, right?
True that. Yeah. And I believe to a major extent, the
Mm.
financial independence is one of the reasons. Earlier, girls used to be dependent, so they compromised with a lot of situations. These days, they are not ready to compromise. Plus, there are some
Mm.
trust issues and other issues. So, yeah, probably that. And thank you so much for
Okay.
this, Ram. One last question
Sure.
before we start with something else. So, this is something that I actually want to hear from you, right? I am a teacher, right? I'm a trainer, as you know. And this is the era of AI. I know you have discussed AI a lot, but this answer is for
Yeah.
me and of course for the audience as well. So in this era of AI, since people are highly, highly dependent on AI, what is going to be the need of human teachers like me, you? How? What is going to be the need?
Well, Yeah, a lot of teachers, they think about that. They say AI is going to take over teachers' jobs. Well, I don't think like that. Both can coexist. Teachers are also very much important. They're also needed because certain things AI cannot, AI, AI teaches only the concepts, but it cannot teach the experience. Only teachers can give the experience. So I don't think AI can replace teachers entirely. Probably, yeah, probably some teachers might lose their job, but not the entire teaching profession is going to be taken over by AI. I'm pretty confident in that. Yeah.
So, what do you think? Should I feel safe about it or unsafe?
Oh, in English category,
Yes.
a lot of people are using ChatGPT to do the speaking practice, but still they feel like they are not talking to an actual human and they want a human touch. So that's one thing that I felt. Some of the students that I have in my WhatsApp group, I used to have in my WhatsApp group, like they said this thing, we practice with ChatGPT. ChatGPT really helps in improving fluency, but when you talk with an actual human, that's totally different. You're getting a different experience.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
And this is something I have been coming across, and it's absolutely right. Okay, so now Ram, we are almost at the last phase of this session, and I
Okay.
want you to get up, energize yourself because my session is always with rapid fire thing, and today it's
Hmm.
not at all prepared. I swear on this. But how are we going to do? One question I'll ask, second question you, one I, then you, and answers are going to be one-liners or maximum two. Okay, if you
Oh,
don't have the answer, just say skip. Okay, so you
I
have to be
I can
very
have the
fast.
answer, but I don't have the questions to
No,
ask
you have
you.
to be on spot. You have to ask me. I
Okay.
will be asking on spot. I don't have anything written.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. So
Hmm.
anything, it can be anything. Okay. So Ram, let's get started. My first question to you is, while we were having this session, what's that one thing that was on your mind other than discussion?
Nothing. I was into the session. I was focusing on you
Completely,
completely. Yeah.
completely into the session. Wow, that's
Yes.
amazing. Great. Your
Hmm.
turn.
Okay. What did you eat today morning?
I ate, I don't know if you know that. Murmura. Do you know what is murmura? It's the
No
puffed
idea.
rice in English, puffed rice.
Hmm.
So it's more
Hmm.
like a poha. And
Oh, okay.
is famous for poha, right?
Yeah.
Not the flattened rice, not the actual poha.
The
This is,
puffed rice.
yeah, puffed rice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So, Ram, what do you think? What is going to be the most interesting thing you are going to do today?
Today,
Hmm.
today after this session, I'm gonna have food. Then I'll go meet my friends. I'll talk with
Oh,
them. Then I'll come back and sleep.
okay.
Probably in the evening time, I'll just go for jogging.
Okay. So meeting
Yeah.
your friends is going to be one of the best things for this
Yeah.
day. Okay.
I'm meeting them every day. It's
Okay.
not really that interesting. They're also very boring. But still, yeah, I get some relaxation if I talk with my friends.
Definitely, for sure. Your
Yeah.
turn now.
Okay, so what was a recent movie that you watched and you didn't like it?
You didn't like
Okay,
it. It was
I'll
last
rephrase.
night.
What was a recent movie that you watched and cried?
Cried. Okay,
Yeah.
one thing, recent movies last night, I just returned at 1 o'clock. I watched the movie Dhamal. It's totally Dhamal. It totally dhamaled
Okay.
my brain. But the movie that I watched and cried was मैं वापस आऊंगा. It's a very good movie related to India-Pak separation, and it's a beautiful love story. So that one I
Hmm.
watched and cried. Yeah.
What's
And
the
I
name of the
cry in all
movie?
the movies. Yeah.
What's the name of the movie?
मैं वापस आऊंगा. Like I'll
मैं
come back.
वापस आऊंगा.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I'll
Hmm.
come back. It's a beautiful love story. So
Hmm.
that one. Yeah. And now my turn. Okay, Ram.
Yeah.
Um, what do you think? What is better? Is it 9 to 5 or freelancing?
It depends on how much you make.
Yeah, true that. Yes,
Yeah.
definitely. Okay, now your turn. Fast, fast. We have just 1 more minute.
Okay, so one more minute. Okay, so where do you plan to go after this session?
After this session, I'll have another session, right
Okay,
after 5 minutes, and then session to session. Then in the evening, I may go for some alteration thing to the market.
okay,
Yes,
that's
that's the only
cool.
plan. Yeah. Okay, now it's my turn. So, Ram, since you have changed this background, how confident or comfortable are you feeling with this new setup?
Yeah, the new setup is quite good, I think. Many people said that they complimented me. Yeah, it looks good because black is a very contrast color, and yeah,
Yeah,
it's it everything is clearly visible. So since the background is dark,
it
so
enhances your look, right?
yeah, probably maybe.
Yes. Okay,
Mm.
last question, Ram. What's
Mm.
that one thing that's concerning you constantly? One short answer, and then it will be over.
Concerning you, what do you mean?
Something that is actually bothering you.
Okay, I don't have anything bothering me.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right. Your words are different, but your expression says something else. That's why I
no,
asked this question.
okay.
Okay. All right. So, Ram, with that, this rapid fire comes to an end. And of course, this wonderful conversation with you comes to an end. And I
Thank you.
really wish you wonderful day ahead. It was definitely a lovely, insightful session with you.